Flaxseed oil is the secret ingredient missing from your hair care routine. According to scientists, flax seeds are absolutely rich in vital nutrients, such as proteins, minerals, calcium, magnesium, iron, zinc, etc., and vitamins, especially vitamin E. It makes them superfood for hair. Regular intake of these seeds can nourish both our scalp and hair, keep them hydrated, stop premature graying, prevent split ends, and so on. Number 1. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for healthy hair growth because they nourish follicles and hair shafts, ensuring strong and healthy hair. They also are effective in improving the elasticity of hair, which is typical in the hair of younger individuals. Number 2. Prevents dandruff. Use flaxseed oil for hair to keep your scalp nourished and moisturized, and prevent flaking and dandruff. After applying flaxseed oil, use Head Shoulders Lemon Fresh shampoo for further dandruff reduction. Number 3. Prevents hair breakage. Consumption of omega-3 fatty acids increases hair's elasticity, which makes less prone to hair breakage and endows you with stronger hair. Number 4. Moisturizes the scalp. Flaxseed use for hair also includes giving you a head full of gorgeous tresses. Regular use of flax seeds helps in conditioning the scalp, keeping them soft and free of infection-causing bacteria and free radicals. It also aids in controlling other scalp-related problems like eczema, dandruff, and prevent premature graying of hair. Number 5. Balances pH levels and oil production. Flax seeds help balance pH levels and oil production. These are two factors that directly affect the rate at which your hair grows and its health. Flax seeds soothe the scalp and help calm the sebaceous glands, so they produce the right amount of oil for healthy hair growth.
Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.